Welcome to senior high school. Alam ko most of you are excited about this new adventure. I hope you all enjoyed your summer break. Ako pala si Miss Mayoni Castro. I graduated from Southern Leyte State University, Tomas Ramos Campus, with a bachelor's degree in secondary education, majoring in English. I will be your advisor for this school year. Ready na ba kayo for a new ride?
Yes! Yes! Sure!
I am going to do a roll call at kapag pangalan niyo na ang natawag, stand up and introduce yourself.
I'm sorry, Mom, I'm late.
It's okay, you can come in. Did you get me, class?
Yes!
Let's start with Aguilar Camille. Is Camille present?
It's your turn, Mom.
Let's proceed with Alvarez Yuan Khan.
Good morning, everyone. I am Yuan Kyle Alvarez, but you can call me L for short. I am 18 years old and I came from Barangay Himuao, Ilongos Leyte. I graduated my junior high school at Ilongos National Vocational School. In my free time, I like reading novels, writing poems, and listening to music. I am a bit of an introvert, finding peace in solitude. I am also a very organized person, which helps me stay on top of things.
Hello everyone, good morning. I am Arden Chua. I'm 19 years old and I'm from San Roque, Pintuyan, Southern Leyte. I completed my junior high school in Pintuyan National Vocational High School where I graduated valedictorian, and also I am a student athlete. At the same time, I'm a journalist and I am a dancer, and I love playing volleyball and at the same time making poems, everything. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Alison Cortez, 19 years old from Central San Francisco, Southern Leyte. My hobbies are, I love talking, I love playing music and reading books. Also, I love playing chess. That's all.
Hello everyone, good morning. So I am Gian Angelo Guevara, 18 years old from Mag-ata, Tomas Opo, Southern Leyte. And I completed my junior high school from San Isidro National High School, and during my free time, I love to capture fleeting moments with my camera, and when I'm not capturing fleeting moments with my camera, I am weaving words into poetry, and it's nice knowing you all.
Good morning everyone, I am Zoe Martinez, I'm 19 years old. One of my hobbies are traveling, especially going out with Harden, and I thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tigana Ramirez. Call me Charlie because I'm full of confidence. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Barangay Golden Leyte. I graduated my junior high school at Matu National High School. I'm fond of singing, and some listening to music. A little bit of dancing, that's all I do.
Good morning everyone, I am Luna Celeste Romero, 18 years old from Buena Vista. I completed my junior high school at St. Joseph College, and my hobbies are writing and stargazing.
Hello everyone, I am Yasmin Minerva Tan, and yeah, Yasmin for short. I'm 19 years old living, and in my spare time, I do a lot of spending time with my families, reading books, watching movies, and especially seeing dramas, and that's all. student came from Bago, Southern Leyte. I am an influencer and I have 1 million subscribers in YouTube. You can subscribe me on my YouTube page, and also I have 500K followers on Facebook, and also I do TikToks. That's all. Thank you.
So a pleasant day everyone, I am Solele Leonor Valentin, 20 years old from Maasin City. I completed my junior high school studies at Maasin City National High School. So I love to volunteer a lot because volunteering calms me. And I love to write stories. And just like Mr. Guevara, I love to take photos because I see beauty in everything. Thank you.
It's nice knowing you all. I'm pretty sure you still have more to share about yourselves. That's why, for your first assignment, okay? This will not be graded, so what you must stress. I will give you the opportunity to get to know each other better and to create meaningful memories with your classmates. I'll be grouping you into pairs and you're going to fill a log with your assigned partner, asking each other the list of questions I will be providing later on. There are 10 questions in total, and I'm going to be giving you the creative liberty on how you're going to fill your vlogs as long as the 10 questions are answered. Your video should not exceed 10 minutes. Is that clear?
Everything is clear, miss.
Great, let's proceed with the pairings. We have Guevara and Valentin.
Sa gitna man ng daan, mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo manggiyosan ba ako dinadala?
Chua and Alvarez, Romero and Ramirez, Valencia and Martinez. And since your number is not even, there will be composed of 3 members, which are Tan, Aguilar, and Cortez. Nakuha niyo ba kung sino na pairs niyo?
Yes.
Great! Since first day naman yun, di mo na tayo mag-discuss. Regular classes officially begin on Wednesday. I guess I'll be dismissing you all early, and I hope you will take this chance to socialize with your new classmates and familiarize yourself with the new environment. That's all for today, and goodbye, and stay safe.
Bye.
Let's go na. Ay, mag-respond na ako. Uuwi na nga lang tayo, mag-i-retouch ka. Mauna na lang ako lumabas ng tayo ng sa labas.
Okay.
Good.
Hi, excuse me. I'm Solele.
Yes ako nga. Bakit? May kailangan ka ba?
I'm Gian, by the way. Partner tayo sa assignment yung vlog.
Oo nga pala. Yung Mr. Guevara, right? Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too. I was just wondering if you're available throughout the day. Para masimulan natin yung assignment, mas mabuti na mas maaga.
As much as I want to, kailangan ko kasi gawin ng maaga yun din. Sorry ka, I hope you understand.
It's okay, I understand. But can I at least get your number para magplanuhan natin yung kailangan natin gawin yung assignment natin?
Sure.
So, let's go. Patapakan mo.
Saglit lang. Here, let's look each other in the phone na I have to go. See you again, Gian.
Thanks. I'll message you when I can. It was nice meeting you, so ingat.
Hello?
Good evening. Is this Sol?
Yes, ako nga. Who's this?
Si Gian to. Sinusubukan ko lang if I got your number right.
Ah, ikaw pala. Do you need anything?
Nagsundo lang siya that I'm free tomorrow after class. Ikaw, kailan ba available?
Free timing. Wala din akong gagawin tomorrow after class. Let's meet each other at the library na lang.
Mabuti naman nag-match yung schedules natin. So, I'll see you tomorrow na lang.
Sure. See you.
Thanks for your time, Sol. Have a restful evening. Bye.
Thanks. You too.
Sino yun?
Gian wanted to tell me that he's free tomorrow. Ako din naman, kaya we're going to work on our assignment after class in the library.
That's great then. I think bukas din kami naligaya. Sa library na lang din siguro para tahimik, tsaka para makapag-focus din kami.
Goyo-goyo ko talaga. Huwag po kayong mag-alala, kamahalan. Wala naman kaming gagawing masama doon.
Ewan ko sa'yo, magbasa ka na nga lang dyan.
Sino karapatan natin?
Hi, good morning. Good morning, Bruno. Kumusta naman yung araw mo?
Okay naman.
Wait.
Kapag ipapahinga nga ako ng maayos eh.
Nasagutan mo na ba yung mga questions?
Hala! Sasagutan pa pala yun. Kala mo sasagutan natin yung later.
Relax, it's okay. Tinatanong naman ko yung natin in case.
Okay.
Sige, sila na lang kayo later.
Sige.
Good morning, students. Good morning. So as everybody knows, today is the official start of classes. And we'll have our first discussion, which is all about personal development. So, does anybody from this class want to share their insights or expectations about this subject? Yes, Mr. Chua.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I believe that personal development focuses on the improvement of our moral character and also our values as a human being. And I believe that it is very vital because it allows us to practice what we call human decency that is very critical also and very crucial in today's society to emphasize what we call peace and to have tranquility in our community. Thank you.
That's right. So, by the way, we will not meet this afternoon because I have an important meeting to attend to. Instead, you will utilize our time to elect a new set of class officers. Arden, please facilitate the election.
Noted, ma'am.
Kapag natapos niyo ang election ng maaga, you can go to the library and work on your assignment. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I just want to ask if I can take you out on Saturday.
Take me out? As in?
No, I meant to film our assignment.
Oo naman. Meron akong time this coming Saturday.
That's great. May idea na kasi ako sa film natin. Later ko na lang sasabihin yung mga details.
Thank you, ha. Swerte ka talaga sa'yo na ikaw yung partner for this.
Okay, sisimulan natin yung election para madaling matapos ang pagkawin na. Okay, let's start. The table is now open for nomination for the position of president. Who would like to nominate first? Yes, Zoe?
I nominate Arden Chua for president.
Thank you, Zoe. Arden Chua is nominated. Any other nominations?
I nominate you and Val for president. I second that.
Thank you. Yuan Kyle is now nominated. Any other nominations?
I close the nomination.
The table is now closed for the nomination of president. We have Arden Shua and Yuan Kyle Alvarez. Now, who would like to vote? Arden Shua. Who wants to vote for Yuan Kyle Alvarez? Okay, so we have our result here. Arden Shua got 4 and Yuan Kyle Alvarez got 5. So our president will be Yuan Kyle Alvarez. A round of applause, please.
How about going to automatic vice president, yung second candidate for the president position?
Okay, so what's everyone's thought about the president position?
We're okay with that. Yes, we agree.
Okay, so it has been decided that I will be your vice president, so I will accept it in my whole heart. So I will be your vice president. Thank you.
Congrats, Vice Pres.
Thank you, Press. Congratulations. I'm sure you'll be an excellent leader.
Thank you, Dan, and I'm looking forward to the collaboration.
Congrats, Press!
Thanks. Shall we celebrate, Arden?
Bye.
Kailan ba natin gagawin yung vlog?
Sa Sabado na lang siguro. Free ka ba nun?
Oo naman, walang problema. Saan tayo mag-film?
I think okay na din sa bahay kasi maluwag naman. Kaso okay ka lang ba doon?
Oo naman. Anong oras ba ako pupunta sa inyo?
Around 9 na lang siguro kasi malayo din yun.
Sige, go. Para makapag-almusal man lang. Yung mga tanong, kanya-kanya na ba nating sasagutan?
I think mas better kung kanya-kanya para mabilis natin matapos.
Ouch!
What happened? Okay ka lang?
I'm fine. Nagkaroon lang ng maliit na paper cut.
Okay na ba?
Oo. Okay na.
Huli ka na, friend! Masyado kasing mabagal, naunahan ka tuloy.
As if naman gagaling yung sugat pag hinupa niya.
Huy, wag ka! Don't underestimate the power of love!
Tumigil ka na nga. Asa na nga ulit tayo sa usapan?
I think andun na kayo sa part kung saan hindi naman ikaw yung nasugatan pero bakit parang ikaw yung nasaktan.
Tumigil ka nga. Marinig ka sa iba dyan. Mag-focus ka na lang sa mga kagrupo mo.
Oh my God! Ay, gusto ko kasi!
Paano mo lang kami nalitaw?
Para ako alam! Akala mo nga si Gian yung gusto mo eh!
Kinabutan ko. Mahimik ka naman.
Study?
Yeah, I'm just familiarizing with the concepts. Baka kasi mag-oral recitation.
Ang sipag mo naman. You really live up to your status as #1 student.
Drop the flattery. I'm just only second to you. At saka, I just really want to be prepared. Madali kasi ako ma-overwhelm kapag may nangyaring unexpected tapos hindi ako handa.
I admire your dedication. I think you work harder than anyone else. It doesn't matter if I'm first or not. And I think that's what matters most. Sige, mauna na ko ha. Good night.
Good night. Thank you.
sa introduction of our subject, I will be grouping you into two. Then I will assign you your topics para sa report niyo. Nakuha ba?
Yes, please.
So I already listed the groups in advance. For group 1, the leader will be Romero, and your members are Valentin, Tan, Cortez, and Aguilar. Please list down the name of your members. Then the leader for group 2 is Chua, and your members are Alvarez, Guevara, Ramirez, and Valencia. Okay, leaders, okay na ba? Nalista niyo na ba lang?
Yes, yes.
Okay. I will let you have the entire afternoon to plan the class outing. The newly elected officers are in charge of facilitating the meeting. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes, miss. That's all for today. You can have your lunch early. Class dismissed.
Bago ang lahat, let us first decide kung saan gaganapin ang outing. Does anyone have a suggestion for the location?
Rhino Resort, hindi ka naman po yung may-ari. Yung Blue Dip Resort yung name. Pwede tayo doon, malapit lang dito.
I think maganda yung suggestion ni Gian for convenience na din. Kayo, what do you think?
Yeah, I agree as well. Okay ako sa suggestion ni Mr. Guevara. Most of us live nearby, kaya ideal talaga siya yung location for all of us.
At isa pa, kapilala na din yun ni Gian. Baka maka-discount na tayo, di ba?
Oo nga! Ba't ka naman, Gian?
I won't promise you anything, but I'll try.
Okay, so it has been decided na sa Blue Dip Resort ang venue natin. And okay din tayo sa date since si Miss na yung nag-set na July 25. How about sa food? Anong plano natin doon? Mag-group ba tayo or what?
What if by pair yung contribution sa foods? Kapag by group kasi, limited lang yung madadala. At kapag individual naman, syempre mabigat sa gastusin. Di ba? True love friend! The best ka talaga! Syempre naman.
Yes, I think that's a good suggestion.
Great idea, Mr. Gaya.
Pwede bang tayo na lang mag-design sa pairing? Mas madali kasi makipag-collaborate kapag kilala mo talaga yung partner.
I agree with that. Agree din ako. Kaso, hindi even yung number natin, kaya may isa talagang mag-i-individual.
Instead of individual, may isa na lang na trio para less gastos.
Maganda rin yung idea mo, Miss Kami. Okay ba mahal sa arrangement na by pair and one trio?
Okay, guys, amin. Agree kami.
So I'll be partnering with Arden since roommate naman kami.
Kami na lang niligaya since naanahan na siya.
Luna and I are partners! Okay na ba si Zoe kung tayo yung mag-partner?
Yeah, ako lang sa akin.
Sige, kami na ni Zoe yung mag-partner.
At ako naman at si Camille. Okay.
How about Mr. Guevara? Wala ka bang partner?
Partner na lang kami, di ba?
Sige, wala problema.
So, since tapos na tayo sa pairings natin, doon naman tayo sa foods na dadalhin natin.
I think that would be all for this meeting. Ipapaalam ko na lang kay Miss yung details. And makipag-collaborate na kayo sa partners na kung anong gagawin. Pwede na siguro tayo umuwi?
Yes, friends.
See you, friends.
See you, friends.
See you all.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends. Hi, friend! Nandito na, Ems!
Uy, hi! Buti naman napaaga ka. Saglit lang.
Sige!
Pasok ka muna.
Alam mo, friend, marami talaga akong ideas para sa vlog natin. Talaga lang nga, baka interest mo. Hindi, oh. O siya, okay naman kayo mag-reply sa net kasi naliligo pa ako ang aga mo. Sure, walang problema. Sige, thank you, friend.
So, dito sa part ko, dito sa tayo
Hindi ko pa nagsabi sa'yo.
Alam ko malaman mo sinabi ka sa akin.
Sorry. Napagkasunduan kasi namin ni Gia na kung gagawin yung assignment namin. Mama siya lang kami agad tapos magaling kami.
Eh, saan ba kayo mamamasyal?
Sa kabilang bayan lang.
Sol! Tara na!
Saglit lang! Halis ako, promise babalik din ako agad. Ano, tara na?
Let's go! Mag-helmet ka muna. Ganito kasi yan.
Siguraduhin mong iuwi mo yan ng maaga ha. At dahan-dahan lang din sa pagpapatakbo.
Sus, huwag ka mag-alala. Iingatan ko naman si Sol.
Sol, mag-ingat ka.
I will, don't worry.
Okay lang.
Luna? Luna!
Oh, ba't ngayon ka lang? Anong oras na?
Sorry, nag-enjoy lang. Good morning, Luna! Oh, kailangan mo naman gumising. Luna!
Anong ginawa niyo ni Gian kagabi?
Wala naman siya.
Wala ko.
O baka bigla lang mawala kung ano mang mapagitan sa ating dalawa. Naisip mo pa sa mga oras na tayo'y magkasama, kung ano tayo sa buhay ng isa't isa. Ikot-ikot lang mula nang mailang tawa ng ngiti na ngiti. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang ang asa na tayo sa huli. Araw-gabi tanging ikaw ang nasa isip, kahit naman ang panaginip ay ikaw.
May gusto ako ni Gian. Ha? May gusto ka kay... Nino!
Gusto ko nang kumain. Tara na, pasok na.
Gutom na rin ako. Tara, pasok na tayo.
So just as we agreed last meeting, we will do a presentation of your vlogs today. So I will present the first video.
I'm back! Gian? Join us as we get to know each other!
Saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama ng sinag sa'yong kutis na sa bako dinadala. Bawat ngiti biglang nawala.
Let's talk about Sol.
Linawin mo nga sa akin.
Ang alin?
Ang intensyon mo kay Sol. Ano ba talagang gusto mong mangyari?
Teka, why are you asking me this?
Huwag mong sagutin ang tanong ko ng tanong din. Tell me, what do you want from Soleil?
Fine, I like her, okay? Are you happy?
O talaga? It's fine if you like her, but that doesn't guarantee that your intentions are good.
Anong ibig mong sabihin? Inabumukha mo naman ba akong masama?
Anong na naman? When did I ever try to make you look bad? Sinasabi ko lang ang nakikita ko.
Ito na naman tayo eh. Bumubuo ka naman ng conclusion kahit hindi ka naman sigurado.
Kaya nga tinatanong ko sa'yo, di ba?
Eh, para saan pa? You already have an answer in mind. Kahit anong sabihin ko, hindi ko yan mababago yung nasa isip mo.
Maybe because your words aren't enough. Puro kasalita, kulang ka naman sa gawa. Your words always contradict your actions.
What are you implying? Ginagawa ko naman lahat to prove my sincerity to Sol. At wala naman akong ginagawang masama to Sol ah. Ang problema kasi sa'yo, puro lang maling ginagawa ko nakikita mo. Hindi mo man lang na-appreciate ng mga efforts ko. That's why we never worked before.
Tama ba yung paghatid mo kay Soleil ng hating gabi? Hindi yun yung napagkasundo natin ang sinundo mo siya ng umaga, di ba? Simpleng kasunduan nga lang, hindi mo mapapanindigan. At isa pa, this isn't about us, Angelo. Stop bringing up what's already in the past.
Choice naman ni Sol na hindi muna kami umuwi ng gabing yon. At saka, bakit mo ko sinisisi? Hindi ba ikaw yun ang una ng bring up ng past? Iniisip mo kasi na kung ano ako noon ay ganun pa din ako ngayon.
O bakit? Hindi ba? Have you really matured, Angelo? Kung oo, pues hindi yun yung pinapakita mo.
Why do my feelings for Sol bother you so much? At saka, hindi ba ikaw yung mismo nagsabi? Lahat na nangyari sa atin are all part in the past. Pero I don't understand why you acting this way. Ano, gusto mo pa ba ako? O hindi mo lang matanggap na yung best friend mo na ang gusto ko ngayon?
Oo, nababother ako pero hindi dahil may gusto pa ako sa'yo. Ang feeling mo naman yata, Sol doesn't deserve someone like you. Kausapin mo na lang ako ulit kapag nagbago ka na. Sol, umuwi ka na ba? Hintayin mo ako sa kanya tayo mag-away ka. Sol, ano ba? Kanina pa ako tawag ng tawag sa'yo. Ba't hindi ka namamansin? May problema ka ba?
Problema? Ikaw ang problema, Luna! May gana ka pa talagang magtanong sa akin pagkatapos ng itago mo sa akin ng lahat?
What? Hindi ko maintindihan kung ano sinasabi mo. Ano yung problema? Linawin mo nga, hindi ko maintindihan.
Drop the act, Luna. Alam ko na ang tungkol sa inyo ni Gia. Paano mo nagawang itago sa akin yun? We've been best friends since kindergarten. How could you do this to me?
Please let me explain. Wala naman na kasing point para sabihin ko sa'yo kasi nasa past na yun. At saka hindi naman na kami nag-uusap. Please naman huwag kang magalit sa akin dahil lang dito.
Lang? Kung para sa'yo, maliit na bagay lang yun, pues para sa akin, hindi. Ano na lang ang sasabihin ng iba? Na na-inlove ako sa ex ng best friend ko? Kaya ba, una pa lang ayaw mo na siya para sa akin? Dahil hanggang ngayon, may feelings ka pa rin!
No! Of course not! Wala na akong nararamdaman sa kanya kahit konti. At saka it doesn't really matter to me kung gusto mo siya. Ang gusto ko lang naman, siguraduhin kung totoo ba talaga yung intention niya sa'yo na hindi ka niya sasaktan. So please.
Sino ka ba para pangunahan ako? Stop meddling with my life, Luna. Wala kang karapatan. Simula ngayon, wala ka ng kaibigan. Huwag mo nang ipakikita pa yun. Pag mamukha mo sa akin,
Okay, so settle na ba tayong lahat?
Yes, Pres.
So gusto ko lang pasalamat dahil sa inyong cooperation at naging successful sa ating class outing. At sana mag-enjoy tayo ngayong gabi ito. So, nagugutom na ba kayo?
Yes, friend, sobra.
Medyo may kasabot lang dito.
Ganito.
Ligaya, marami pang chips doon. Gusto mo ito kita?
Saan na papunta? Sa akin ba sinta? Huwag mo sanang isipin na parang wala lang sa'kin ang lahat nating pinagsamahan.
In order for us to get to know each other, let's have a game first. And it's called Truth or Dare. Ano? Game ba kayo?
Sige, score. Oh, Alison! Truth or dare? Truth. Napansin ko panay yung tingin mo sa friend ko. May gusto ka ba kay Luna?
Hindi We're just friends. Actually, I'm in a relationship for 5 years. Truth or dare?
Truth.
So, what's your status now?
Well, I do have a boyfriend and he's a British and actually pupunta siya dito within this month.
Sana all ka naman, P. May account.
Truth or dare? Truth. May crush ka ba dito ngayon? Yes. Pero noon na yun, wala naman. Sol, truth or dare?
Truth.
Do you have a very close friend?
Yes, I used to, but we're no longer friends. She betrayed me.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
Do you have a crush here? If yes, then describe that person.
Yes, actually. At saka, nakashade siya.
Para maiba naman, I choose dare.
Do you like someone here in the circle? Then, if yes, I dare you. Isayaw mo siya dito.
So, pwede ba kitang isayaw?
Mawak ka sa'kin, sundan aking himig. Huwag nang magtago, di naman magbabago. Di kailangang sabihin, walang dapat gawin. O aking bituin, ikaw ang hiling. Huwag mong pigilan, hayaan mong kusa. Humawak ka sa'kin, sundin ang damdamin. O sumama ka sa'kin, at tayo ay sasayaw sa kulog at ulan. Iikutin ang tala at buwan, habang tayo ay nalilikaw. Pakinggan ng puso, huwag nang bibitaw. Huwag nang magtago-taguan, kita naman sa liwanag ng buwan. Ang lihim na patingin
Siguro ko!
ka, aminin.
So as agreed upon, you will be reporting your assigned topic for today. So Arden's group, please come in front.
Ewan ko, restart yung laptop mo kagabi, pero akala ko nag-update lang.
And you didn't even bother checking again?
I'm sorry, pero may backup naman si Arden, di ba Arden?
Ha? Wala sa akin! Di ba wala kasi eh?
May gaya! I know you're a clumsy person, pero pati pa rin dito, at dami naman namin sa pagkairesponsible mo.
Sorry talaga, hindi ko naman sinasadya eh. Saan ba yun?
Okay, that's enough. If you still can't find the file, let's just proceed to the next group.
Ba't ka naman ganyan? Hindi ko naman ginusto iwala yung file natin, pero ba't ako lang yung sinisisi mo? Nang dahil lang sa isang pagkakamali ko, isinagtabi mo lang sa magagandang ginawa ko para sa'yo!
Hindi ko naman sinasadyang sigawan ka eh.
Pero ginawa mo pa din! Ano ba? Tama na nga yan!
Paano na to? Kami naka-report. Panigurado, low grades naman ako nito. Nag-expect pa naman magulang ko na making grades ko dito.
Okay lang yan bro, pwede pa naman siguro pakiusapan si Miss Castro.
Anong okay? Para sa'yo okay, para sa akin hindi. Anong gagawin ko dito? Panigurado, mababa grade ko dito. Bakit? May contributions ka ba?
Luna? You available? Can you pick me up? Gian cheated on me.
Sol, mag-usap tayo.
Usap? There's nothing to talk about because I already saw everything.
It's not what you think. Can you at least allow me to explain, please?
You know what? Maybe Luna was right already. Pero sige, fine. Explain yourself and make it believable.
I will never lie to you. At nakita mo kanina, friendly hug lang yun.
Oh really? Because that's not what it looked like to me.
I promise to you, Sol. There's nothing between me and Arden. Ikaw lang ang gusto ko. Ikaw at ikaw lang.
Huwag mo akong idaan sa mga flattery words mo, Gian. Hindi mo pa ini-explain ang detail ng buong pangyayari.
Nagkaproblema lang si Arden sa grades niya at saka ikwento niya sa akin kung paano siya nape-pressure sa parents niya. At naawa ko sa sitwasyon niya kaya kinomfort ko lang siya. Yun lang.
Maraming paraan para i-comfort siya. Kailangan ba talaga siyang yakapin?
Friendly hug lang talaga yun. Wala nang ibang meaning. Kaya please, makinig ka naman sa akin.
I'm scared, Gian. Baka nga totoo ang sinabi ni Luna. Please don't prove her right. Don't break my trust.
I'm sorry. I promise. Hindi na talaga mauulit.
Mga gabi nakatingin sa salaming nagtatanong sa'kin.
Kailan kaya makakamit pagsuyo na hindi
Aking sinap, sa mundo'y nagpapaliwanag, habang buhay naglalakbay sa kalawakang malawak. Ngunit sa dilim, laging may hinahanap, isang malamlam na liwanag na aking kabiyak. Araw ko, aking sinta, sa sandaling pagtatagpo. Sa isang duyog, nagkaisa tayo. Ngunit ang ating pag-ibig, parang anino lang, lumilipas, di nagtatagal, panandalian lamang. Ikaw ay may iba, ang iyong sinag ay para sa kanya. Ang aking pag-ibig, sa iyo lamang, di maibibigay sa iba. Sa huling sulyat, sa pag-alis mo sa aking paningin, ang aking puso'y nasasaktan, umaasa na sana'y iyong lingunin. Sa bawat gabi, sa dilim ng kalangitan, titingin ako sa iyo, sa iyong ningning na di maabot. Ang aking pag-ibig, di mawawala, kahit na di mo ito maramdaman, sapagkat ikaw ang aking araw, ang aking tanging liwanag. Paalam, aking sinta, sa ating sandaling pagtatagpo.
One look and then you iba na, malagkit, dumikit ang tingin ng mata. One smile, iba nang ibig sabihin. Di na friends ang tingin niya sa'kin. Everyday parating we're together every week. Palaging may sleepover. Ang tawag niya sa mami ko ay tita. Bakit ba di ko nun nakita until out of the blue? Ang feeling so true, bigla na lang sinabi sa akin that this guy is in love with you, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. Bading na bading sa'yo. Di na ako makasagot ng telepono, palagi niyang kinakausap ang parents ko. Kulang daw sa tulog at di na makakain. Bakit ba di pa nun inamin until out of the blue? I'm feeling so true, bigla na lang sinabi sa akin that this guy is in love with you, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. Bading na bading sa'yo.
Congrats, bro. Thank you, bro.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you. Will heaven hold you?
From the moment I met you, I knew you were special. You bring light and laughter into my life, and I can't imagine a single day without you. Now today, I promise to love you fiercely, to support your dreams, and to be your rock, no matter what life throws away.
Today, I choose you. I choose to love you, to laugh with you, and to build a life filled with joy and adventure by your side. I promise to be your partner, your confidant, and your biggest cheerleader, always.
You're all that I believe in.